Hello student of class 8. Class 8 you have to study about that the chapter number 5 which is denoted as the combustion and the flame. So what do you mean by the combustion and what is the flame actually? Before going to proceed the chapter we have to know about very well what is the mean of combustion, what is their need, and you could have ever think about whenever the fire catches anywhere, there are the most person panics most of the time panic, and they are rushes one and other here and there. You may have heard about the fire catching on a broad level, that means forest fire. So in that regard, here is some other different type of reactions you could see. Before discovery of oxygen, there is a mystery how the flame appears, how the fire catches, what it is. There is a mystery. And after Antonio Lavoisier, who discovered the oxygen first time and tells us about there is oxygen which burns, and in presence of oxygen there is a fire takes place. Due to this oxygen the burning takes place. If there is no oxygen, no burning will be take place. So it is clear that wherever the combustion takes place, there is oxygen or air present. That means oxygen is a necessity for the combustion or any fire. So what is actually the mean of fire and combustion? Fire is what and combustion is what? Combustion is actually the process. Combustion is a process, or it is a burning of a substance in presence of oxygen to produce heat and light. And flame is what? Whatever the material is burnt which appears to appear as a flame. So we'll have to know about the combustion and fire. Both are the very different from one another. Anything that catches the fire that can produce flame, but combustion is actually what? Whatever the material is burning, this is not the combustion. Burning and combustion, they are all separate from one another. Burning is the process by which anything which burns in presence of air. So burning of material is completely different from the combustion. Combustion is the process which undergoes the burning of a substance in presence of oxygen to produce heat and light. And in that concern we have to know what is the requirement for the burning or what is the requirement for the combustion. Combustible substance, oxygen, and the material which has to be burned itself. Here something to be very important for the topic combustion. Why there is a need of oxygen to burn? Because of that, if there is no oxygen, there is no burning takes place. And the resultant of the combustion, there is a heat and light produced. You could see if there is combustion takes place. Respiration you have heard about. What is the respiration? The respiration is also a type of a combustion. It is a slow combustion on which by burning the calories and energy, there is a heat and light produced, and by which we can capable of doing a different type of a task. सबसे पहले इम्पोर्टेंट ये है कि आप समझ लें कि कम्बशन क्या है और फ्लेम क्या है, कम्बशन क्या है, फायर क्या है, कम्बशन क्या है और बर्निंग क्या है. तो कंबशन के लिए सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है कि कंबशन क्या है और कंबशन क्यों ज़रूरी है। किसी भी सब्सटेंस को अगर हम लोग बर्न कराते हैं तो पूरी तरह से जलता है, तो लाइट और हीट को प्रोड्यूस करेगा। अज्यूम करिए कि किसी वुड को अगर जलाया जा रहा है तो उससे कुछ लाइट हीट भी प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है और कुछ उसके अंदर से कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का अमाउंट भी प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है। लेकिन वो रेयरली केस होता है कि वो कंप्लीट कंबशन है, इनकम्प्लीट कंबशन है। व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ अ कंबशन वेयर इज इट इज नॉट द टॉपिक ऑफ डिस्कशन ओवर देयर। विल हैव टू डिस्कस द फर्स्ट इज व्हाट फायर। whatever the burn in presence of oxygen, that is fire. And burning, the material which burn itself in presence of oxygen is called burning. And combustion is what? Combustion is a process in which it can undergoes by which the material to be burned in presence of oxygen to liberate heat and energy. So, what are the different things that required for the combustion? There are three things. First one is combustible substance. Second is supporter, that is the oxygen air. And third one is the combustible material. So here we need, these are the different type of a condition by which the combustion takes place. In that concern, we'll have to know the flame. Whenever you have seen a candle, the candle could not completely burn. It burns and it produces light, heat, and somewhere carbon dioxide. So, in the next video, we'll have to continue the different remaining material what we have to study. Okay, now for that purpose